Well, this is the time of year where we're spending more time in the outdoors. And I'm with James Collier from 30 Seconds Cleaner, who's going to tell us a little bit about his product. Now, James, the 30 Seconds Cleaner has been around a while. So what's some of the history about your product?
Well, we've been a family business here locally in Oregon in the Great Pacific Northwest since 1977. So we've got a little bit of history behind us here, and certainly our products available locally just about everywhere at all your local garden centers, home centers, and hardware stores. And a family-owned business, family-run, and we're still operating today.
Yeah, 'cause I've used it myself at home, and I'm getting ready to use it again. And it's, for viewers that are not quite familiar with the product, what exactly is it, or what can you do with it?
Well, you're cleaning algae, mold, and mildew, and the stains caused by slimy green and grimy dirt that you have growing around your sidewalks and planters and decks and steps, and it's slippery over the winter. This product you mix in a tank sprayer, saturate the surface, follow the label directions, let it sit a wee while, brush with the grain if necessary, and then just rinse it off with the garden hose, and away you go. You have a nice, clean, instant result, reclaiming those surfaces outdoors.
And now is a good time of year to be applying this, right?
Fabulous time, yeah. You want to do it when the surface is dry. That is one key thing to note, is you don't want to be putting it on a wet surface, for example, because it's water off a duck's back. It doesn't penetrate the
Right.
wood, for example, or concrete. So you'll be wasting it in that sense. So you got to wait till it's a nice dry day and the surface is dry, saturate it with the product, let it do its magic, and then rinse it off with a hose.
And then you said, it's safe to use around your plants that are around you.
Yeah, so if you're doing your lawn furniture or anything like that, you can put it out on the lawn, do your magic, and then just rinse it off. And then if you get it on delicate plants or something like that, just give it a rinse with a hose beforehand or afterwards, because you don't want to leave residual soap or whatever you're rinsing off your deck or,
Right.
or fences onto your plants, because that doesn't look too pretty too. You might not impress your neighbors, but certainly, it's safe to use around your plants and landscaping and lawns.
Right. Now, with so many people staying home now and spending so much more time in your yards and out cleaning, how does this the whole virus and staying at home affected your guys' business?
Actually, we are considered essential business, and we're kind of blessed to be that and to do our part in giving people an opportunity to do something around their home. And I think there is that gratification of you feeling busy hands keeps folks' minds off the situation we faced with, which is not a pleasant one. And certainly getting all those chores done, that once this comes to pass, and I'm quite confident it will come to pass, that they'll have all that work done outdoors, and they can actually get out there and go places, hikes
Right.
and restaurants and all those fun things we love to do. So you can get all those chores done now while you can, because once this comes to pass, you're gonna wish you had.
All right. So in this in spite of all these challenges, you've actually you guys have come up with something new.
Yes, actually, that's been in the pipeline for some time. We got approached by a national retailer to produce our indoor cleaner that we do on the international market. It's a product powered with bleach, and it's for cleaning hard surfaces indoors. Timely enough, for the situation we're faced with now, with cleaning hard surfaces indoors, it's been released here, and it's available locally. Actually, it's available at all Lowe's stores right now as if you buy the gallon outdoor cleaner, you get the 1 quart indoor cleaner free.
Nice.
So you've got to be look out for that. It's also available at places like Park Rose Hardware locally here in Park Rose or in Portland. So there's a couple of places you can get it. Miller Paint, I believe they're open, I'm not sure, but Miller Paint also carries it, also another local Northwest business.
Right. So, we appreciate you being with us today and, educating us on the 30-second cleaner. For more information, I'm sure you can go to your website or check out your Facebook page to find the stores and the retailers that are open and carrying your product, or you can go to gardentime.tv and we'll click you over. So, James, I appreciate you being with us, and we look forward to being out in the garden with our 30 seconds cleaner.
Thanks, Ron. I much appreciate it.